Well, it's harvest time again, so we're doing our harvest beer again. Our harvest project, kind of a legacy year over year, builds on what it is a pretty straightforward, kind of autumnally appropriate spicy rye pale that we take a fresh, wet hop straight from the fields, flown to us and put right into knockout. And then we flesh that out with last year's choice as a finishing whole cone dry hop, just to tie it in a year, give it some consistency, and just check in on the field. For 2017's harvest, we chose a hop we've been playing with in some of our pale ales. It's called 07270. It's an experimental hop that we've been really enjoying. Ekuanot we used last year comes forward this year as the dry hop, and it's a hop that's just kind of wonderfully dank. If you know our Iripa, Egoipa, and Super Egoipa beers, Ekuanot plays heavy there. So this year for the harvest, we thought it'd be fun to take that kind of fundamentally dank finishing hop of Ekuanot, whole flower dry at the end, and push its dankness up with 07270. We get to check in on what's happened this year in the fields, and you get to check in on another chapter in the Carton Harvest Rye Pale. Give it a try, tell us what you think.